welcome to Feline Jungle. My name is Fiona, and if you're new to this channel, it's everything plant related. If you're into plants or cats, then hit that subscribe button and the notification bell so you get my videos weekly. Today we're gonna do a Pink Princess Part 3 update. So I bought a Pink Princess about a year ago, and I've been trying to encourage more pink in the plant. And in part 1, I air layered it, and it actually produced a fully pink leaf. Since then, in part 2, I cut it up into 4 different parts. So I have the bottom cutting, and then the middle cuttings, and then the top cutting. And in part 3, we're gonna do a update 6 months later. As you can see here, I have 2 pots, but I actually only have 3 cuttings because I gave away one to my friend Caesar at Corgi Jungle, and I actually gave him the bottom cutting. It had the most established roots and variegation, so it's very exciting that it's growing a lot for him, but hopefully he gets more of that pink leaf in the future. Here in this pot, I have 2 cuttings. Here I have the top cutting and also a tiny middle cutting. Let's talk about the biggest plant here. You can see it's pretty disappointing. You can't really tell that it's a Pink Princess. It has these very solid dark green leaves, and I believe this is a result of the grow light because I have it actually living behind me in this plant shelf on the highest shelf, so it gets enough light and also has enough humidity, but it's just not giving me that pink leaf. And over here you can see that it tried to give me one pink leaf with like a very sectorial pink section over here. Unfortunately, it ripped as it was coming out because this was during the winter where I didn't have enough humidity level, and it's pretty common issue with philodendrons. It just rips when it comes out when there's not enough humidity. And then here in the back, I have a middle cutting, which is a lot tinier, but you can see it's beginning to have some of that pink in it, which is very exciting. And I love how vibrant this pink is too. It's very like hot pink. And I'm actually very excited about this middle cutting. I was not expecting much from it. I don't see any variegation on both stems. It's pretty low variegation. So we'll see what the next leaf looks like, but from just looking at it over here, you can see it's pushing out a new leaf, but it looks like it's just a green leaf. We'll find out. On to the next plant here is a very tiny Pink Princess. This is, I believe, another middle cutting. All the older leaves actually died back, and these are all the new leaves that came out of it. This actually doesn't live here behind my plant shelf. This lives in my dining room where I have it in a south-facing window. I just wanted to have the Pink Princesses in different locations, trying to figure out what's like the best condition for it. It's actually doing okay on the south-facing side. It's growing a lot, but there's also not a lot of pink variegation, as you can see. There's like a little speck over here, a little speck over there, but it's nothing crazy. And there's actually a new leaf pushing out. So yeah, we'll see what happens with this one. It's just a very cute looking philodendron right now. It doesn't look like a Pink Princess. I'm just gonna keep it there and see how it looks like when it grows out, because I know definitely with a lot of philodendrons, the variegation will come out when it gets mature and older. So I still have hopes for this little guy. With this guy over here, I definitely gonna do something. I'm going to give it a moss pole to kind of spark some inspiration, some new growth with it. Similar to what I did with the silver sword. After a while, I just gave it a tiny little moss pole that it got to grow on it, and it encouraged the leaves to be bigger. So I'm gonna do something similar with this, just give it a moss pole. Whether it will encourage more leaves or more pink, we'll find out. But yeah, it needs a little something new for the spring and summer. I just gave it a cute little moss pole. It's just about half the size of the pink princess right now. Hopefully it will start hugging it with the aerial roots. The key to making the plant actually grab onto the moss pole is to mist it daily. So I have this mister that I'm gonna mist it and just give it more care and love, and hopefully it'll return to love by giving me some more pink leaves. We'll see. I'll give another update of a part 4 of this pink princess in about 2 months. So I'll see you guys then. Thank you so much for watching this video. Again, if you liked it, 10-second challenge to like, comment, subscribe, and share this video with your friends. Thank you so much, and bye!